chains and stuff. And if y'all would just let them rap, then they would come. He didn't say rap. He said, sing unto the Lord a new song. Shall I quit? Or shall I go on? I'm going to go right ahead. See, we got to watch this foolishness now. Gangster rappers in the church. Mouth full of gold teeth. God, could I preach until somebody get upset? Well, y'all ain't saying that they got this mad look on their face. And they rapping for the Lord. And their pants hanging down their head. You know what that means? That means you ain't got none of it. I feel like preaching here. But God said, kill it all. You can't bring that worldly stuff over here and say, God, this is good for the church. God said, kill it all. I gotta hit this and get out of here. We got a big problem now. Because everybody want to start a community choir. Woo! Everybody want a community choir now. Problem with that is everything in the community in the choir. Y'all ain't saying nothing. Y'all ain't talking to me. Everything in the community is in the choir. And then they wonder why you preach against it. Because they end up with such a stronghold over the people that they would hear the community choir direct before they hear their own pastor. And can I tell you what the trend is now? Just because you got a community choir means you a pastor. Woo! We got people building churches based on their choir. Because I had a choir and could influence people, I started a church. Got a community church. And you wonder how all this stuff got in the body of Christ. Why every man in the body got like this. Listen. Well, y'all getting quiet now. Y'all getting quiet now. We wonder why the men and the women in the church ain't getting married. It's because the men are sleeping with the men. And the women, oh God, I feel like I need to... Yes, sir. We wonder how this got out in the body. God said, get it out. He didn't say, I'll build my church off of a choir. He didn't say, I'll build my church off music. He said, upon this rock, I'll build my church. And the gates of hell shall not prevail. But hell is prevailing against some of these churches. Because they built on music. And they built on prophecy. Oh, Jesus. We building on everything. Gospel music. Now trying to lead the church. Trying to tell us how to preach. Feel like you can talk just because you can sell a record. Y'all ain't saying nothing here. Y'all ain't talking here. You doing all this talking, but now, oh God, could I preach here? Now they want to talk to the preachers. But today, let the preacher talk to you. Shut up. Y'all ain't saying nothing. Look at somebody, tell them when you see them, tell them shut up. Because I don't want to hear your nasty song. I want to hear a word from the Lord. for music to save nobody. You know what music was intended for? It was intended to usher in the presence of the Lord and condition the people to hear a word from the Lord. You show me one place where somebody was slain in the spirit because somebody was right. Show me where wrath has brought anybody under conviction. Young man came here, preached about a month ago. Come up after church, he said, yes. Are you saying you don't believe in Christian rap? I said, no. Hey, I said, no. Are you telling me you all will never have a rapper come to this pulpit? I said, I'll be dead in my grave. I'll be like, yeah, I'll be stinking. Y'all ain't saying I'll be stinking in the grave. So y'all don't allow the dancers either. I said, no. We dance under the anointing of the Holy Ghost. We don't just get out there because we want to cut the monkey shine. We get out there because the Spirit is moving on us. That's the reason why folks getting their legs broke shouting. Because it ain't under the anointing. I have seen people under the anointing close their eyes and shout and get this close to the edge and turn around and go the other way. Don't tell me. Oh God, should I preach? Look at somebody and tell them kill it all. Y'all ain't saying look at somebody else and tell them kill it all. Now we got to come back to the men of God because God is requiring of us to carry this out. We got a bunch of worldly preachers who don't want you to preach holiness because they don't want to live holy. And the Bible didn't mean that. The Bible didn't say it like that. Stop trying to tell people what God meant and tell them what He said. Oh God, I feel like I need to preach right through here. See, we've got to get rid of all this stuff. So while we are prostituting the anointing, we're becoming a preach for higher society. I can't operate in the gym unless they give me $16,000. I'm finding another 16 when I get there. Prostituting a gift. I'm not going to keep you on the planet unless you make a donation. Prostituting a gift. Folks just worried about being famous. We want to be known as the world's greatest preacher. Somebody said I'm the next Don in the church. I didn't even know the church had Don. And you fail to realize that it's not the world that sets up. Oh God. And that promotion don't come from the east or the west. But promotion comes from God. And because we don't want to live holy, we got a church full of unholiness. Full of unholiness. The preachers still want to cuss. The preachers still want to smoke. A lot. The preachers still want all the women in the church. And a man every now and then. That's what we got. I don't care what nobody say, even if that spirit do come to your church, unless it's not welcome, now it ain't no stay. It can't stay around this power. It just when it comes, it got to either get right or get out. But this is where we are now. We have done what Saul did. We said, God, the stuff that looks good, the stuff that I thought you would be pleased with, kill it all. Kill it all.